Imagine that you wake up and suddenly find out that scientists are preparing to send humans to Earth-like planets due to a predicted future disaster. Due to increasing pollution and weather disturbances throughout the day, we have ruined our Earth and are now searching for a new home. Although all this seems like a science fiction movie, if the situation remains the same, the day is not far when humans will have to search for a new planet for their home. In the hope of a new home, scientists will first look towards the solar system, but there is no planet here that can provide them refuge. We cannot survive even for a moment on the gas giant planets Jupiter and Saturn. The pressure of their atmosphere is so high that it would easily crush us. In such a situation, scientists' hopes will only rest on the moons of these massive gaseous planets, but they are so far from the sun and so cold that we cannot settle on them in any way. Only a planet like Earth can help humans settle, one that is as far from its star as our Earth is from the Sun, which is also called the habitable zone. This is a specific distance from the star that provides the planet with the temperature and energy that is very effective for sustaining life. If a planet is very close to its star, it will always remain hot, which means water will never come into a liquid state and the atmosphere will be very lethal. You can understand this with the example of the planets Mercury and Venus. They are quite close to the Sun, but the surface temperature of both these planets is very high. Similarly, if a planet is very far from its star, water there becomes like a very large and deep ice sheet, which can be several kilometers thick. In our solar system, there are planets and moons like this where water is trapped in deep ice, unsuccessfully waiting for life. The planets that are more effective for life are those that are at a certain distance from their star, which is called the habitable zone. When scientists talk about Earth-like planets, they refer to planets that fall within the habitable zone. All the planets that scientists have discovered outside the solar system are called exoplanets, which orbit their respective stars. Scientists have also discovered some exoplanets that fall within their star's habitable zone. Scientists hope that in the future, these planets could prove to be very effective for human habitation. In this video, we will talk about these exoplanets and find out if we can survive in their gravity and atmosphere if we reach them. We will also learn how far these planets are from Earth, so fasten your seatbelt and get ready to explore your new home in the future. The exoplanet closest to our Earth is Proxima Centauri b, which orbits its star Proxima Centauri. The special thing about this planet is that it also falls within its star's habitable zone. According to scientists, life might be possible on this planet, and it is also the closest to us. The distance from Earth to this planet is 4.2 light years, and scientists are preparing to send a spacecraft to it named Breakthrough Starshot. To learn about this spacecraft, you can also watch our previous video, the link to which you will find in the description. Anyway, putting all that aside, now we will talk about whether, if you somehow manage to reach this planet, you will be able to survive there. Dimianaham. And can humans ever be settled on this planet? Proxima b was discovered in 2016. This planet is part of the Alpha Centauri star system, which includes 3 stars: Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and Proxima Centauri. This planet falls within the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri, which means that liquid water might be found on this planet, and if not, at least frozen ice would be present. The mass of Proxima b is about 30% more than our Earth, which means the gravity will be slightly higher, and if you walk on it, you will find it quite difficult.